Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Let's talk video walkthroughs. They're everywhere these days, right? Tutorials, explainers, you name it. But making them, that can be a whole thing. Editing, recording, it takes time. But what if I told you AI can help? Yeah, AI is changing the game. It's making video creation easier than ever, especially walkthroughs. For creators like you and me, educators, even if you're just starting out, AI tools are a game changer. Imagine this. You have an idea for an awesome tutorial. With AI, you can bring that idea to life as a video, even if you've never edited a video before. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive in. Now, before we jump into the tools themselves, let's talk strategy. Choosing the right AI tool is super important. It's like picking the right camera for a shoot. You want something that fits your style, your needs, and what you're trying to create. Some tools are great for quick, simple videos. Others give you more control for complex projects. Think about what you want to achieve with your walkthrough. What kind of style are you going for? Once you know what you need, you can pick the perfect AI tool for the job. First up, let's talk Synthesia. This tool is all about using AI avatars to present your walkthroughs. Think of it like having a virtual presenter, bringing your script to life. It's perfect for creating professional-looking videos without needing to be on camera yourself. Synthesia is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any fancy editing skills. It's all about inputting your ideas and letting the AI do the heavy lifting. Ready to see how it works? The first step in Synthesia is choosing your avatar. They have a diverse range of avatars to choose from, each with their own unique look and feel. You can pick an avatar that matches your brand or the tone of your walkthrough. Want a friendly face for a beginner's guide? Synthesia has got you covered. Need a more professional look for a business presentation? They have avatars for that too. It's all about finding the perfect fit for your video. Step 2, scripting your masterpiece. Once you've chosen your avatar, it's time to write your script. This is where you lay out everything you want your avatar to say in the walkthrough. Be clear, concise, and make sure your script flows well. Synthesia's interface makes script writing easy. You can even add pauses and emphasis to make your avatar's delivery sound more natural. Think of it like directing your own virtual presenter. Step 3, lights, camera, preview. With your script ready, it's time for the magic to happen. Synthesia takes your script and avatar and generates a video for you. You can preview the video, make any necessary adjustments, and voila! You've got a professional-looking walkthrough. Synthesia even lets you add background music and images to enhance your video. It's all about making your walkthrough as engaging and informative as possible. Pictory from script to screen in a flash. Next up, we have Pictory. This tool is all about speed and efficiency. With Pictory, you can turn your scripts or blog posts into engaging videos in minutes. It's perfect for content creators who need to produce a lot of video content quickly. Pictory uses AI to analyze your text and automatically match it with relevant visuals. It's like having an entire video editing team at your fingertips. Uploading your script to Pictory. Using Pictory is super simple. You start by uploading your script or blog post. Pictory supports various file formats, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Just drag and drop your file, and you're good to go. Pictory also lets you import content from social media platforms and video hosting sites. This makes it easy to repurpose your existing content into new video formats. Pictory in action, generating your video. Once your script is uploaded, Pictory gets to work. Its AI engine analyzes your text and starts generating a video based on your content. It automatically selects visuals, adds transitions, and even chooses background music that complements your message. You can sit back and watch as Pictory creates a video that's both informative and visually appealing. It's like magic, but with AI. Adding your personal touch with customization. While Pictory does a fantastic job of automating the video creation process, it also gives you plenty of customization options. You can change the visuals, adjust the music, and even add your own voiceover if you prefer. Pictory's editing interface is intuitive and easy to use, even if you're new to video editing. You have complete control over the final look and feel of your video. Lumen 5, transforming text into video magic. Last but not least, we have Lumen 5. This tool is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Lumen 5 uses AI to transform your text into stunning videos with just a few clicks. It's perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to create high-quality videos without any hassle. Lumen 5 offers a wide range of templates and styles to choose from, making it easy to find the perfect look for your video. Let's explore how it works. Lumen 5's brain. Analyzing your text. Like Pictory, Lumen 5 starts by analyzing your text. You can either paste your text directly into Lumen 5 or upload a file. Lumen 5's AI engine then identifies the key themes and ideas in your text. This analysis helps Lumen 5 select relevant visuals and create a video that effectively communicates your message. It's like having an AI assistant summarize your text and turn it into a captivating video. A visual feast. Exploring Lumen 5's suggestions. Based on its analysis, Lumen 5 suggests a series of visuals, video clips, and music tracks that complement your text. You can browse through these suggestions and choose the ones that best fit your vision. Lumen 5 offers a vast library of royalty-free media, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. You can even upload your own images and video clips to personalize your video further. Making it your own customization with Lumen 5. Lumen 5 provides a range of customization options to help you fine-tune your video. You can change the font styles, adjust the colors, and add your logo to brand your video. Lumen 5 also lets you add call to actions and end screens to encourage viewers to take action after watching your video. It's a comprehensive tool that gives you everything you need to create professional-looking videos. Clarity is king, keeping your walkthroughs easy to follow. Now, regardless of which tool you choose, there are a couple of things to keep in mind when creating walkthroughs. First up, clarity is key. Your walkthrough should be easy to understand, even for someone who's never seen the software or process before. Think about how you can break down complex steps into smaller, more manageable chunks. Use clear and concise language, and don't be afraid to repeat important points. Engagement is queen, making your walkthroughs fun to watch. Second, engagement is queen. No one wants to watch a boring walkthrough, no matter how informative it is. Try to make your walkthroughs visually appealing and engaging. Use humor, storytelling, or even a bit of personality to keep your viewers entertained. Remember, a good walkthrough is both informative and enjoyable to watch. AI video powerhouses, Synthesia, Pictory, and Lumen 5. So, there you have it. Synthesia, Pictory, and Lumen 5 are three powerful AI tools that can help you create stunning video walkthroughs. Each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs. Synthesia is perfect for creating professional-looking videos with AI avatars. Pictory excels at quickly turning scripts and blog posts into engaging videos. And Lumen 5 makes video creation a breeze with its user-friendly interface and vast media library. Unleash your inner creator. Give AI tools a try. The best part about these AI tools is that they make video creation accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a professional video editor or have years of experience to create high-quality video walkthroughs. With a little creativity and the right AI tools, you can bring your ideas to life and share your knowledge with the world. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner creator and give these AI tools a try. Your video walkthrough journey starts now. The world of video creation is evolving, and AI is leading the charge. Synthesia, Pictory, and Lumen 5 are just a glimpse into the future of video walkthroughs. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and powerful tools to emerge. So, embrace the power of AI, experiment with these tools, and embark on your video walkthrough journey today. Your audience is waiting.